Hi everybody, it's Ghazale. We are going to know how can we change the material to a glass. For example, this cube, we are going to shading. At first, we change the render engine to Eevee, and then this part we have this when we add a new material. We change the metallic to 1.2 and change the alpha to 1.1, 0.1, and after that we go to material properties, and in setting, in blend mode, we change it to alpha blend. Now we have glass material. And to see it better, we can add a plane and scale it. And get it a simple material. And now F12, it's the result that we have, the glass material. Hope you like it. You can see other videos. I made cute characters that you can see and model them. Nice to see you.